Welcome to the Poker Lingo Explained. Today we'll demystify 25 poker terms that often leave beginners scratching their heads. Let's dive in. Outs are cards remaining in the deck that will improve your hand. Knowing your outs is crucial for decision-making. String bet. It's an illegal move where a player bets in multiple motions without declaring the full amount. Always announce your bet to avoid this. Muck. This is when you fold and discard your hand without showing it to other players. Limp. Entering the pot by calling the big blind instead of raising. It's often seen as a passive move. Tilt. It's when emotions, not logic, dictate your play, often after a bad beat or a series of losses. Bubble. The critical point in a tournament where the next player out won't win any money. 3-bet. It's the third bet in a sequence of bets. Essentially, it's a re-raise. Kicker. It's a tiebreaker card in your hand that isn't part of the main rank but can determine the winner in a tie. Value bet. A bet made with a hand likely to be best, aiming to get called by a worse hand. Semi-bluff. Betting with a hand that isn't the best but has the potential to improve. Pot odds. The ratio of the current pot size to the cost of your contemplated call. Equity. Your hand's share of the pot, based on the likelihood of winning at any point in the hand. Backdoor. Catching 2 consecutive cards to complete an improbable hand, like a flush or straight. Gut shot. A straight draw needing one specific card in the middle to complete. Open-ended, a straight draw where 2 different cards can complete the hand. Cooler, an unavoidable situation where you lose with a strong hand to an even stronger hand. Splash the pot, to throw chips into the pot haphazardly. It's generally frowned upon for its messiness. Slow rolling, delaying revealing your winning hand, often seen as poor poker etiquette. Hollywood, to act deceptively, pretending to ponder a decision when your action is already decided. Fish, an inexperienced player who is easy to exploit. Donkey. Similar to a fish, it's a player who makes bad decisions and isn't skilled. Nit. A player who plays extremely tight, betting only with the strongest hands. Shark. A skilled player who preys on the weaknesses of less experienced players. Whale. A wealthy, often less skilled player who plays high-stakes games. Dry board. A flop that doesn't offer many drawing opportunities. Wet board, opposite of dry, offering potential for straights, flushes. And there you have it. These terms will help you navigate the poker table like a pro. Remember, poker is not just a game of chance, but a game of skill and strategy. Happy playing!